Welcome friends, to Kumaruuu. Prepare to sharpen your coding skills as we tackle TCS NQT coding questions together. These questions are designed to test and enhance your problem-solving abilities. Today's challenge is from the TCS NQT Coding Series, specifically from September 2022, Day 1, Slot 2. Let's unravel the puzzle together. Meet Jack, a character full of enthusiasm for Sundays. We'll help Jack count the number of Sundays he gets to enjoy within a given time frame. The challenge includes considering different starting days of the month. To better understand the problem, let's walk through an example. Imagine the month starts on Monday, and Jack wants to know how many Sundays he'll have within the next 13 days. In this example, we'll explore the logic behind counting Sundays. By considering the starting day and the total number of days, we can calculate the number of Sundays Jack can enjoy. Now, let's outline our solution steps: input, mapping, initialization, check condition, calculate weeks, and print result. These steps form the backbone of our coding approach. Time to bring our ideas to life. Let's move over to the coding platform and start crafting the Python code for this intriguing challenge.
TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll conquer the test, shine so bright. And around the globe, we dreams take flight. TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll conquer the test, shine so bright. And around the globe, we dreams take flight. TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah.
Now, let's dive into the step-by-step explanations for the Python code. We'll start with the initial step, getting the input for the day and a positive integer. In step 2, we create a mapping of days to their corresponding numerical values. This mapping will be crucial for our calculations later on. Moving on to step 3, we initialize a variable ans to 0. This variable will store our final result, the count of Sundays Jack gets to enjoy. Step 4 involves checking if there's at least one day remaining in the week after the given starting day. This step ensures we only proceed if there's a possibility of having Sundays. Step 5 is where the magic happens. We calculate the number of weeks needed to reach or exceed the given integer. This gives us the count of Sundays. Finally, in step 6, we print the result. The code is now ready to unveil the count of Sundays Jack can savor. Here's the consolidated code, bringing together all our steps. This Python script encapsulates our approach to solving the TCS NQT coding problem. We've successfully navigated this TCS NQT coding challenge. Join us for more problem-solving videos in this series. There's much more to explore and conquer. A heartfelt thank you for joining us on this coding adventure. Until next time, happy coding!